Hello, creatures of the night, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, especially if you're not yet, and if you're trying to subscribe, thanks so much. So anyways, today's video is going to be how to make a fun Halloween treat with Oreos. So first what you're going to need is Oreos, some sort of chocolate. You can use white chocolate and just dye it, or if you have almond bark, you can use that. I used almond bark for the white. And then there's other colors, like if you have the little like candy melts like this, I used for the orange and the black. So, or I guess you could just use regular chocolate for the black color. So anyways, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your Oreos, and also you'll need to melt the chocolate in your microwave beforehand, and wash your hands first and dry them off first. So obviously you're going to need to melt the microwave in the chocolate beforehand and stir it until it's melted enough to make these. So first we're going to go ahead and start with the orange chocolate, and make sure you use a pot holder whenever you get them out. Also you'll need parchment paper or something to put them on that they won't stick to. So we're going to go ahead and start by just dipping it in the orange chocolate. You might have to kind of go like that. And grab the spoon and spread it around. Just spread it around all. If it's not melted enough, you can always put it in the microwave for longer, but if you don't care how melted it is, then it's fine. Careful, it is warm whenever you get this out of the microwave, so you have to work with it fast because it is chocolate. But you also don't want to burn yourself, so. And just kind of spread it as good as you can get it. You're just kind of spreading it all over. Until you get it to about like that. So that looks really good. And then we're going to make that into a jack-o'-lantern. So what you're going to do is, obviously you can make sure the chocolate's not too hot. You're going to try to put some eyes on it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. There's one eye. Two eyes. Be careful because it is hot. And now we're going to put a mouth on it. Kind of looks like it's wearing sunglasses, but that's okay. And then, now time for our next. This one we used almond bark, the other two we used candy melts. But you could just use almond bark or white chocolate and then melt it and dye it. Now we're just going to start by putting it in and dipping both sides. Okay, so you put it in and you just kind of dip both sides. And then you're going to go like that. Okay, so sorry, I need to move this. So then you're just going to put this on the parchment paper, whatever paper you're using, and then we're going to make a mommy. So just going to kind of zizzle it all over until you get like a mommy part that you like. And then we are going to do the eyes again. We're just going to take some of the black chocolate, or chocolate that is black, and just add eyes. There you go. And you can add a mouth too, but you don't have to. I like it like if you just want to add eyes, you don't have to add a mouth. So anyways, there you go. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this like how-to video. Oh wait, there's one more I forgot. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. So what you're going to need to do for this one, you're going to need to break an Oreo in half. Forgot. That's why I have 4 Oreos out. So we're going to move these off to the side for a minute. And then you can use some white chocolate to glue the bat wings on or stuff them in the middle. Like so. Then let that harden. And you are going to go ahead and add the bat wings on. And now we're going to take a little bit of the white and we're going to put 1, 2 dots. And then we're going to take a little bit of the black chocolate and put 2 dots on top of that. Doesn't have to be perfect because it is Halloween, so just do it as good as you can. And remember, this stuff is hot, so be careful and do this with the adult if you are young. And there you go, there's a bat with the eyes. So now I'm going to move these so you guys can kind of see what all the Halloween ones look like. Anyways, I'm going to move the camera view as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. You can always add a mouth to the bat like so. if you want to. There, now the bat has a mouth. Or you can always add a mouth to the mommy. Almost a zombie. But anyways, thank you all for watching so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little DIY. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to be careful and use pot holders to get the bowls out of the oven. And just be super careful if you do this, like, how to DIY with Oreos. Anyways, thank you all for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, because we're so close to hitting 50 subscribers. Maybe, hopefully, by the time that this video is out, we already have hit 50 subscribers. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Happy Halloween. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day. Okay, that one.